Heading into snowy adventures requires the right protection for safety and confidence. Top 5 best skiing helmet options combine advanced impact protection, lightweight comfort, and ventilation, helping skiers enjoy every run while staying warm, secure, and focused on performance all day long. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Giro Skiing Helmet. The Giro skiing helmet stands out as a dependable choice for skiers who want premium safety without sacrificing comfort or value. At the core of this helmet is the MIPS, Multi-Directional Impact Protection System, designed to reduce rotational forces during angled impacts, which adds an extra layer of confidence on challenging slopes. The hard shell construction enhances durability, making it suitable for frequent use in varied snow conditions, while the EPS foam liner efficiently absorbs shock to protect your head during falls or collisions. Fit is another strong point of this helmet, thanks to the Auto Lock 2 Fit system. This self-adjusting mechanism simplifies sizing and ensures the helmet cradles your head securely with minimal effort. The on-the-fly vertical tuning feature allows quick adjustments for a perfect fit and seamless goggle alignment without removing the helmet, which is especially convenient in cold weather. Ventilation is thoughtfully engineered through Giro's stack vent system at the front, which aligns with goggles to minimize fogging, along with super cool vents on top that release excess heat. This airflow balance keeps you comfortable during both intense runs and relaxed cruising. Another highlight is its seamless compatibility with Giro EXV goggles, ensuring a streamlined fit and clear vision. Overall, the Giro skiing helmet is a well-rounded option that combines advanced impact protection, easy adjustability, and effective ventilation, making it an excellent choice for skiers seeking reliability, comfort, and performance in one solid package. Number 2. Smith Skiing Helmet. The Smith skiing helmet is a versatile, all-season option designed for riders who want one helmet to handle a wide range of activities, from ski slopes to skate parks. Certified for multiple standards including ASTM F2040, CEN 1077, and CPSC, this helmet delivers dependable protection you can trust. Its durable ABS construction provides strong impact resistance while maintaining a solid, confidence-inspiring feel. One of the standout features is its ability to stay cool and fog-free thanks to 14 fixed vents paired with Smith's Air Evac ventilation system. This design actively channels warm air away from goggles, reducing lens fog and improving visibility in changing conditions. Comfort is further enhanced by the self-adjusting Lifestyle Fit system, which flexes to match your head shape without complicated adjustments. The bombshell ear pads add warmth and a snug feel, making long days on the mountain more enjoyable. The helmet's clean, minimalist design appeals to riders who prefer a simple yet functional look that transitions easily across different sports and seasons. Smith's long-standing reputation for innovation and quality is evident in the thoughtful engineering behind this helmet. Whether you're carving groomers, hitting terrain parks, or exploring off-trail features, the Smith skiing helmet offers consistent protection, ventilation, and comfort. For skiers and snowboarders looking for a reliable, certified helmet that performs well in diverse environments, this model delivers a strong balance of safety, durability, and everyday usability. Number 3. OutdoorMaster Skiing Helmet. The OutdoorMaster skiing helmet is built for winter sports enthusiasts who prioritize advanced protection without compromising comfort. Equipped with MIPS technology, this helmet significantly reduces rotational impact forces, offering enhanced safety during unexpected falls. Its reinforced polycarbonate shell, combined with a shock-absorbing EPS core, provides a lightweight yet durable structure that holds up well during demanding ski sessions. Ventilation is efficiently managed through 8 strategically placed air vents that help regulate temperature while blocking harsh, icy winds. This balance keeps your head warm without overheating, even during high-energy runs. Comfort is a major strength of this helmet, featuring a detachable lining, removable earmuffs, and a soft chin band that adds warmth while reducing pressure points. These adjustable components make it easy to customize the helmet for different weather conditions or personal preferences. The size adjustment dial allows for a precise fit, ensuring stability and comfort throughout the day. A built-in goggle strap retainer keeps goggles securely in place, preventing slipping during fast descents or sharp turns. Designed for versatility, the OutdoorMaster skiing helmet is suitable not only for skiing, but also for snowboarding, ice skating, and other winter outdoor activities. Its modern design, combined with practical features and strong safety credentials, makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced riders. Overall, this helmet delivers impressive value by blending protection, adjustability, and comfort into a reliable winter sports companion.
Number 4. OutdoorMaster Ski Skiing Helmet. The OutdoorMaster Ski Skiing Helmet offers a complete solution for winter adventurers by combining a protective helmet with compatible ski goggles for a seamless experience. Designed to fit together perfectly, this set eliminates common issues like gaps, discomfort, or fogging, allowing you to focus entirely on your performance. Crafted from premium materials and meeting strict safety standards, the helmet provides strong shock and penetration resistance to protect your head in challenging conditions. Ventilation is well thought out, with 8 air vents in the helmet working alongside the goggle's airflow system to reduce fogging while maintaining warmth. This design ensures clear vision and steady comfort even during long sessions on the slopes. The helmet's detachable lining, earmuffs, and soft chin band enhance warmth and comfort, making it suitable for cold environments while remaining lightweight and easy to wear. The adjustable goggle strap and helmet fit system allow quick customization for different head sizes and preferences. This flexibility makes the set ideal for a variety of winter sports, including skiing, snowboarding, skating, and more. For riders seeking a convenient, all-in-one solution, this helmet and goggle combo offers excellent value. By combining safety, comfort, and compatibility in one package, the OutdoorMaster Ski Skiing Helmet Set is a dependable partner for anyone looking to enjoy winter sports with confidence and ease.
Number 5. Retrospec Skiing Helmet. The Retrospec skiing helmet is a thoughtfully designed option for skiers and snowboarders who want reliable protection paired with everyday comfort. Built with a durable ABS shell and EPS shock-absorbing foam, this helmet provides strong impact resistance while remaining lightweight enough for all-day wear. Safety and comfort go hand in hand, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. One of its standout features is excellent airflow management. With 10 vents and a moisture-wicking netted mesh cap, the helmet promotes effective ventilation to keep your head cool and dry during active runs. Its convertible design adds versatility, featuring fleece-lined earmuffs that provide warmth in cold conditions and can be easily removed when the weather warms up. A glove-friendly goggle clip securely holds goggles in place, adding convenience on the slopes. The adjustable ergo knob dial and strap system allows for quick, precise fit adjustments, ensuring the helmet stays secure and comfortable throughout the day. Retrospec also provides clear sizing guidance, making it easier to choose the right fit for adults and youth alike. Overall, the Retrospec skiing helmet delivers a balanced combination of safety, adaptability, and comfort. Its practical features and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for riders seeking dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.